Hi everyone! In this video, we will recognize the relationship between the solutions of an inequality and its graph. Write the inequality shown by the shaded region in the graph with the boundary line. Here we have a graph of a line that's going through a y-intercept and it has a slope. The y-intercept is 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's -4. And we have a slope going from -4 to another point going through the corners of the grid we can find by going up 1 and over 1, which gives us 1 over 1. So we have a slope of 1 divided by 1 is 1. So we have a y-intercept of -4 and a slope of +1. We now know everything we need to know for the equation of this boundary line. If we just wanted to write the equation of the boundary line, we would write y equals mx plus b, m being the slope and b being the y-intercept. So the boundary line is y equals m is 1, so 1 times x is x, and b is -4, so it'll be -4. So we have the boundary line of y equals x minus 4, and that's this line right here. Now if we wanted to graph or to find the equation of the inequality, we will include all of the points below this. This means that it is less than the boundary line. So it's y is less than x minus 4. Also, our boundary line, as we can see, is solid, so that means it is less than or equal to. So we put it or equal to point or line under the equality, and now we have the equation of the inequality from this graph. We can also test this by using a test point. My preference is to always use the point 0, 0 because it makes all of the calculations really fast. So we'll substitute 0 in for y and 0 in for x and solve. Now we'll notice that this point we picked 0, 0 is not in the shaded region. So we do not want it to make the inequality true, or it would be part of the solution. So let's go ahead and solve this. 0 minus 4 is -4. So 0 is less than or equal to -4, and it is not. -4 is smaller than 0. So this does not make the inequality true, and that's exactly what we wanted to occur because we know that 0, 0 is not included in the shaded region. If we wanted to do another test point just to verify, let's go find one in the shaded region. How about right here? This is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 0. And let's try that one. We do want this one to make the inequality true because it is in the shaded region. So let's go ahead and plug that in for x and y. So we have 0 is less than or equal to 7 minus 4. And to work that out, 7 minus 4 is 3. 0 is indeed smaller or lesser than or equal to 3, so that is true, and we wanted it to be true because it is inside the shaded region. So our equation of y is less than or equal to x minus 4 is the correct inequality, and we're all done.